Hey, what's up everybody? I want to share with you our new EDC kit. Now EDC stands for everyday carry, meaning just like keys, a pocket knife, whatever, something that you carry with you everywhere you go. It's always on you. So the contents of the bag haven't changed. It's still all the basic life-saving equipment you're going to need in a traumatic situation, but some of the features of the bag itself has changed and we're super excited about it. I love this thing. It works really slick compared to the old one. You now have MOLLE up front. You do have Velcro up front, so you can attach things here. You can personalize it with whatever patch you want. On the back, we've made the belt loops a little bit bigger, so they're a little more versatile. We've kept these long enough so you could still run this as a MOLLE equipment, molling it onto anything else. And you've got MOLLE slots as well as the straps to use if you need to as well. You do have a little grab handle. And then the overall size is just a scotch bigger as well. Inside, pops open just like this, and you've got two just super simple organizers. Everything in here, again, is gonna be a life-saving item. I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of here, lay it out, so you can see exactly what comes in your EDC kit or everyday carry kit. So as you can see, it's almost hard to believe that all this awesome stuff fits in this great little bag. So you're not gonna find any Band-Aids or little boo-boo equipment in here at all. This is straightforward life-saving items. What you get is a set of nitrile gloves, 2 chest seals, a tourniquet, an EPB or emergency pressure bandage, quick clot gauze, a Sharpie, and then of course your free digital download of the first aid and survival guide. So this guy comes in 4 different colors. You can do the coyote, the black, the gray, and the green. I highly recommend getting one. You can put it on your belt, you can put it in your purse, you can throw it in your backpack, whatever. It's a small little kit full of everything that you're gonna need to save a life in a traumatic situation. All right guys, stay safe, stay alive.